Hello, it's Elmer Watson. I have the P365 6-hour pistol out today. I'm going to be doing some shooting up close, self-defense, and a little bit of moving around to see how I can do, so just bear with me. All right. So that's the first time I've ever done that. You all bear with me here. Do a little tactic just in case if I got to shoot and move to the target. So it's the first time I've ever done that. So we'll see. Go in the bullseye. Not bad, as you can see. I think I would do all right. So walk up here closer. This is within 10 yards, I'm going to say. That's the target. 2 in the bullseye. Something right a little bit there. A couple low. So I'm gonna make some more of them. I'm hoping I can set me up something to where I can do a little better. So if you like the video, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you will, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This thing done pretty good, so God bless, and how you like my shirt? Try that in a small town, people. Bye-bye.